easiest way to explain to them is to experience them what is sound art using this Soundbridge.
We are encouraging the public to interact with the Soundbridge. It produces musical inflection when touched by a person from one point to another. And this interaction can pass to another person just by touch. They were also transformed into a bridge of sonic possibilities. Actually, this installation signifies that we have a connection with everyone, with our environment and our surroundings by using sound like a bridge.